Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to use YouTube. YouTube is a popular video sharing platform that allows you to watch, upload, and share videos with people all around the world. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of how to use YouTube, so you can start watching, sharing, and uploading videos with ease. Step 1. Creating a YouTube account. To use YouTube, you'll need to create an account. Simply head over to youtube.com and click the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. You can either sign in with an existing Google account or create a new account. Once you've signed in, you can start browsing videos and creating your own content. Step 2. Browsing and searching for videos. YouTube has millions of videos available for you to watch, and you can find them easily by using the search function or browsing the different categories. To search for a video, simply type a keyword or phrase into the search bar at the top of the screen and click the search button. You can also browse videos by clicking on the different categories, such as music, gaming, or news. Step 3. Watching and sharing videos. Once you've found a video that you want to watch, simply click on it to start playing. You can control the playback using the video player controls, and you can also adjust the quality and speed of the video. If you like a video and want to share it with others, simply click the share button below the video and choose the platform where you want to share it. Step 4. Uploading your own videos. If you want to upload your own videos to YouTube, you can do so by clicking on the upload button at the top of the screen. Conclusion. And that's it. You now know how to use YouTube to browse, search, watch, and upload videos. Whether you want to watch funny cat videos or share your own original content, YouTube has something for everyone. Thanks for watching.